guys, welcome back to my channel, Boomy Reactions. Okay, so today we are back with another try not to laugh challenge. Guys, I suck at these so much. I think I actually just giggle in my sleep. I'm a giggler. I laugh. It's not hard to make me laugh either. So I'm going to take this one very, very seriously. I'm going to muster up my best poker face. Okay, here we go. Okay. Right, so, oh gosh, it's animals as well. I suck so much at these. Okay, right. How long do I have to go without trying to laugh? Oh, it's like 11 minutes long. It's not even a short clip. Okay, I'm going to try my absolute darndest. Right, here we go. Guys, if you are enjoying these reactions, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Thank you so much, my lovelies. If you're interested, I have a Buy Me a Coffee account. That link is over here. And if you would like to support this channel any further, I do have a Patreon account if you fancy checking it out. That link is in the description below. Oh, okay. Give me strength. I'm gonna lose like literally within like the first 10 seconds. Oh gosh, like that cat. Okay, right.
Cause you had a bad day.
I can't. Hello.
Deja vu. I just been in this place.
I'm not laughed yet. I'm not laughed. That's more impressive than anything. I'm not laughing.
How do you do this?
I'll tell you how that cat did that. It's come out of his nose, isn't it? He's like he's eating grass. Oh, they eat grass when they're sick. So I think he's just eaten a really, really long chunk of grass and he's gone with such force that it's come out of his nose. Ow. I mean, some of these clips, if we kind of focus on how impressive it is that they've actually managed to do the things that they've done, then I could distract myself from laughing. Gosh, okay. I haven't laughed yet. I haven't. I can't snigger, but I can, repress. That's it. I'm winning. That's so adorable.
Sure, she was so entertained. Everybody was
There's no way.
We've just tried some of these little socks on Bento. He tap dances around on the tiles and the laminate floor, but he keeps scratching his ear at the moment. We're trying to, get the wax sorted and under control, but he's making an absolute mess of his ears. So we've tried these little socks, and I'm going to have to upload the video onto my Patreon actually, just to show you what he was doing. They don't like them, do they? Those little animal socks. It just reminded me that. I didn't laugh though. I was laughing at a memory of Bento wearing them. I can't believe my cat sometimes. Okay, oh gosh, okay.
No. No way.
It's drunk! I'm not laughing.
Roligt.
To a special Lego Town event that's not open to...
It's just like, shut up. I didn't laugh at that. I'm still above. I'm still okay. I'm winning. I'm waiting. There's going to be one clip in here, isn't there? That's just going to be uncontrollable. Didn't get me. Oh! It's a bit aggressive.
Nothing, come here. Oh, no.
It's how the dog recovered from it. He's just like, no, I'm okay. Oh, okay. Oh, guys, I'm not laughing because this has happened to me and I understand. I know your pain. When Bento was a lot younger, we were out on one of our little walks. I had the kids with me and there were dog walkers around, so this didn't even happen discreetly. Bento wrapped, there was a big oak tree. Bento ran round it and saw another dog. So we had a long lead. He'd wrapped himself around the tree. We were like, oh, silly Bento. Another dog came from down the other side of the field, only a short distance away. And he ran towards this other dog, tightening the lead that was now wrapped around the tree, and pinned me up against the tree. It was quite a sight, and we couldn't get Bento to work out how to go around the other side of the tree, and I can't do anything. Bento's excited and wound up at this other dog. My kids are howling at me. I feel your pain, brother. Been there. It's not funny. It's just embarrassing. How does your lab wake you up? Oh, okay. Oh, that one nearly had me. No, I haven't done it. I know what's more funny is that the person that laughed behind the camera. No, I didn't laugh at it. No. I paused it, so it's okay.
How did you even get up there?
I don't know. Oh my god. Oh.
Fine.
Oh! Did that sound just repulse that cat? What? Oh my gosh, I'm sorry. That clip of that kitten, it's not so hilariously funny as, oh my gosh, it's so cute, I want to die. He's fallen asleep and he's carrying on. So much cuteness. You know when something is so unbelievably cute that you don't know what to do with yourself? The best way to describe it actually is what's the character? Is it Agnes? Oh, for Despicable Me. And she like goes into overload and she's like, it's so fluffy, I want to die. It's that excitement, like, it's so much cuteness, I don't know what to do. But that was what that clip just evoked in me. Oh, so much cuteness. Oh gosh, okay, perform magic tricks for your dog. Okay, well, I'm feeling a little bit sillier, so I feel like I'm not too far off. Having a bit of a giggle. Keep it going. Poker face. Super serious. Oh. No, didn't give me.
Hey.
Oh. Sassy pants.
Permit requirements from the city of Irvine, California. Okay.
Lion tamer.
Something there was wrong.
Okay. Ah! Oh no, there's another one. It's so much cuteness. It's cute overload. Such a cute cutie.
Food time, food time, food time! What about...
What was I waiting for? That cat has such a long tongue. How? Okay, that clip with the dog. What was I waiting for? Did I just miss something? Sorry if I did.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Naughty. So much cuteness.
Maybe Xbox on, please. Thank you.
That's a handy little trick. How did he train his cat to do that? That would be quite handy, actually. Okay. I've got to contain my... Oh, gosh, we're halfway through. I haven't laughed yet. I haven't. Pausing it and then laughing at something else is fine. It's okay. It's fine. You don't want to see a video of me just glaring at a video going... Yeah, I haven't laughed though, I haven't. I think my computer froze then. Hang on. Oh, no. We're going to rewind that back. I have no idea why. Yeah, watch that one again. Watch that one again.
Xbox on, please. Thank you.
That's impressive. Oh, that's all it was. Oh!
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
Okay, no, that one nearly had me. What? A cat showing his little, cute little toes, his little beans. Why?
You guys,
Okay.
look at my cat.
Oh,
Look at it.
So cute. So much cuteness. Oh. Oh. That bird was eating his bogies. Bleh. There's too much cuteness. What did I do? Oh my gosh. I'm not laughing at the clip. I am expressing that I'm overloaded with cuteness. What is even this feeling? And yeah, I can't contain myself. I don't really know what to do except just sit here and shake and go, ah! I should name that feeling. There's this tinfoil. Close. Remember, I'm not laughing.
Shouldn't have been playing with the wrapper.
Oh, that's a glare and a half, isn't it? Naughty kitty. Oh. Meow. I was just about to say, excuse me, do you mind? That cat is having a moment in that bin. I didn't. No, no! Oh!
Pinky.
Ah! I'm sorry. I'm rubbish. No, that one got me. I'm sorry. That's a non-containable one. In fact, I'm gonna go back, watch that one again. Okay, oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to see that one again. What's he doing? Okay. Here we go.
Oh, shit.
Pinky.
Oh my gosh! God dang it! Oh my god! Okay. Oh, I was doing so well. Oh god. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm crying. No, okay. Oh no, I've got the giggles. I don't think any of them are going to top that. Oh gosh, that set me off now. Oh, I'm going to be in a silly mood for the rest of the video. Okay. Oh, smudged all my makeup. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, poker face. Think sad thoughts. Okay. I don't think there's going to be another one that tops that, guys. I've got like butterflies in my stomach trying to contain this laughter. Okay. No more playing with. Let's move on. No more playing with bees. Oh no.
I thought she was.
How could the cat do? Oh, it's game over now, guys. It's game over. I've got the giggles. Everything's going to be funny from now on. I'm going to rewind this one back. What's he doing? Oh, look at this cat. Look how menacing
I thought
he
she
is.
I love cats. They're the best thing in my life.
Oh, we have had, not from a roof. We've had an incident where Bento has jumped out of my son's window onto our conservatory roof to try and get to me. He is my shadow. He follows me around everywhere. And I was outside in the back garden, and Bento wasn't letting obstacles get in his way. He was going to make his way to me no matter what. And he jumped out of my son's window onto the... I don't know how the conservatory roof actually held his weight because they're not strong. Yeah. And he just stayed there for a while, just looking for a way down, like, nope, nothing for it. I'm going to jump. He was okay. He was carried down. Not by me. Okay. Oh, making a fresh batch of evil biscuits on them.
She's so fat.
Don't say that to my cat. She's not fat. Her primordial pouch hangs low.
She's fat.
No.
She's not fat.
But about it.
Oh my gosh, so much cute. Paul. What is he doing?
You gonna do some dancing for?
Really, really offended by being pointed at. I love that little, that, I don't even know what you call it, that it's like they're ice skating over the floor, and they get on all fours and they kind of glide. Our current two cats don't do that so much. I don't know if it's like a turf war territory type thing. Our original, our first ever cat, who's no longer with us, sadly, Simba, he did this quite a lot, and it's like the little booty scooty that they do if they've got worms. I know it's a horrible reason. It's just one of those funny things they don't do very often, but our first cat used to do it. Oh, I absolutely beside myself. No!
It's bedtime.
Naughty!
It is bedtime.
So, the nature.
That cat's face. There's a handful of these that they've got the better of me. They've defeated me. I told you I wasn't going to do this. I suck. I cannot laugh. I cannot not laugh.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Come on, man.
Shut up!
You got it. He got the fish. Is it fish? He's got that. I mean, that's impressive. Come on, guys. I love the I'm hungry noises that the cats make. Our youngest one, I don't think he's ever been on camera actually. His name's Hero. He's a fluffy black cat. He's very elusive, very skittish. And when he eats, just every single day, tucking into his cat food, and he makes those noises that wow 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 wow. It's brilliant. Oh God, look at him.
We just give up. Why so mean?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's got the zoomies. Can't beat a dash on, can you? Oh. Oh no. No. Oh,
Not looking too
he's
good,
okay.
bud.
He did it. Oh, I was cringing. He was going to fall off and hurt himself. No, he's skilled. He's a skater dog.
I don't think you realize what's going on, buddy.
You don't have to be scared of the kitty.
They're absolutely terrified, and then the camera zooms out and you can see what it is that they're looking at. I think this might actually be the funniest compilation of all these little cat and dogs I've ever seen. I failed miserably. I lasted half a video.
The most dangerous animal on this planet.
A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood.
That's a good David Attenborough there. Oh, I'm rubbish. I know. I think I stand a good chance of passing these try not to laugh videos if it's if it's just people like slipping over. I'm far less likely to laugh because I feel the pain. They hit their bum on the floor. I feel it. And I'm too empathetic. I'm too empathetic to laugh. I feel it more than I find it funny. So, what if it's animals? Oh my gosh. Oh. I might go back and watch that one with the dog. Oh, that defeated me, that clip, didn't it? Oh, I was dying. I still got a flashback. Guys, I know I'm rubbish. I failed. I made it halfway through. So what was that? Like a solid 5 minutes. Like half of the clip, 5 minutes long. Before it defeated me. Doesn't even have to be that funny. I'm a laugher. I know. I laugh too easily. Guys, I hope those clips gave you just as much hysterics as they've given me. It's always the animals that are the funniest. They're so cheeky. Oh, they're the cutest as well. What's the name of that feeling? Should we call it something? If there's no name for it, you know, that when you're overwhelmed with feelings of cuteness, as Agnes described it, so fluffy, I want to die. Yeah, we're going to have a name for that feeling. Or maybe there is. Let me know in the comments, guys. I can't even think of a funny kind of word for it. I don't know. Someone's named it. Let me know. Guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video along today. Take care of yourselves, my lovelies, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.